In this video, I'm going to show you how you can select the template to be filled with your Excel data. Quite often, when you have a new customer or correspondence to go out to customers, you might have more than one template to fill. So what I have done here is I'm allowing you to select which template you fill. Now the same information is going to go into every template, but you can do numerous templates with the same code. So I'm going to run my macros. I'm on the developer tab. I'm going to macros, and I'm going to replace text. Now the first thing it's going to do is it's going to ask me, please select the location for the Word template. And you say, okay. And so I have them on my desktop, and let's do the letter first. So let's do August. So that's the template I want to use. And so I'm going to go open, and then it works for a few seconds. Then it says select the location for the file to be saved. Now I'm having these documents saved as what the contact name's name is what the file is going to be saved as. And so I'm going to select a location. So I'm going to say okay. So I'm going to put this under letters because this is a letter that I did. So I'm going to select it in that form, and I'm going to go okay. Okay, so now if we go to let's go into the letters, and you see it's named Mickey Mouse. And so there you have the information has been entered into this template. Now I have the same information, but I would like to put it into a form. So I'm going to minimize this, and then I'm going to run my software again, and I'm going to go replace text. I'm going to run it. And so now let us select a different template. And so I'm going to do an example form. This is a form that I've downloaded from the Word templates that they have. And so I'll say okay. And so now I'm going to select forms. And I'm going to say okay. So now if we open up our forms, then we have Mickey Mouse again, since it's named the same thing. You can see that it has put the information in the form in the appropriate places. So let me show you the code and what's happening. So let's F8 through this code to see how it works. So now it's opening up the Word application, and it's saying visible true. And now we're going to select the file. We're going to select my August, and then it's going to upload the file. And now it's got the file, and it's at read-only so that we don't ruin the template. And then with the Word doc, then it's going to look for contact name. So it's going through the document and looking for contact name. It's found the contact name there, it's highlighted. And now it's going to replace it with the value. Now, just because you don't know the order of these things, what I've got here now is I'm going to the top of my document. So this is a built-in bookmark in a Word document. So it's start of document select. So we're going to go up to above August 3rd. And then we're going to look for contact phone number. Now it doesn't matter the order that these things are in, as long as you're going back to the top every time. So now we're going to look for the address. And there you go. And then we're going to look for the city. And there you go. And the province. And then the postal code. So now it's going to name it whatever the customer name is. So this time it's Mickey Mouse. And then it's going to ask us to say the location. And so I'm going to select the folder for the letters. And I'm going to say okay. and then it's going to loop and go to the next one, and I don't have a next one. So that's the end of the code. So that works pretty well. I will, of course, include the code in the description of my video. Please subscribe.